Hi Ray, I've got a quick video to show you just to familiarize yourself with the brief. So I've got, this is an old screenshot that I sent you with the Instagram. You can just see it there, and the reason I'm showing it to you as a screenshot is because it's not working any longer at the moment. But that's essentially what the Instagram feeds do on the pages. If you may have seen them, you may not have. So based on, you can't see, if you scrolled up, there would be hashtag whatever the place is, and that would populate that feed for that hashtag. So if I go to a page at the moment, and because I'm logged in WordPress, it shows a message only visible to admins. Please connect a business account on the Instagram feed settings page in order to display hashtag feeds. So it's basically in error at the moment. I've converted over to the new version of Instagram Feed Pro plugin, which uses a new API. And so on this page, there would be an Instagram feed after the overview section there. And then for every scenic gem, there would be one just above this information here at the end. That's where the Instagram feed would be, and so on and so on. Each scenic gem moving down the page would have one there. So one for the overview, and then one Instagram feed for each of the scenic gems. The one for the overview is generally along the lines of hashtag Fraser Island, because it's the overview for the page, Fraser Island, and the scenic gem ones for this one would be hashtag Lake Mackenzie, etc. If I go to the actual page, you can see that's how I introduce it with the short code. So Instagram feed, the type is hashtag, and then hash Fraser Island, and then moving into Lake Mackenzie, coming down, hashtag Lake Mackenzie Fraser Island. So they've all been populated for all the pages. Now, as you would have read in the letter that I sent to the plugin authors, I'm allowed 30 hashtags every 7 days. And what I would like to do, well, I won't explain it again because it's in the message. So in settings for Instagram feed, there's the account there. It's still on personal at the moment, and I think that's why it's in error at the moment, and it's not showing at least 30 hashtags. I need to get my account. I have converted it to a business account, but there's some glitch, and I read something that said that I need to take it out of Instagram, put it back into Instagram, and to get it to finally recognize this as a business account. And the plugin authors have said that it sounds logical that it will work, but to remove these accounts completely before adding the next business account. So here I've got it set at hashtag. I don't think that needs to be there. I'm not sure. I'll just leave that and let you figure out if that needs to be there or not. Probably not. So we're going to sort them by top or recent are the options. Top will populate the most popular hashtags first. Recent will populate only within the last 24 hours, but the plugin will cache any images that are pulled. But I'm going to leave it on top. We're just going to do it that way. It's the only way I can see to get it to work as I've suggested. So what I see happening is I'm going to need to create, I think it's about 15 business accounts to ensure that I can quickly get a cache of all of the hashtags that I've got on the website. It's about 430 of them. Now, I need you to tell me if once you've done some programming, I can then manually remove these and then add and remove and add, or if you just want me to give you a list of the logins for all of the Instagram accounts. I need you to come back to me and let me know what you need me to do to make this happen in terms of the Instagram feed accounts. So if you could do that, that would be appreciated. That's kind of it at the moment. Please let me know what questions you've got, and we'll go from there. Thanks, Ray. Cheers.